Hi, this is Teacher Fikri, and today I'm going to teach you all how to perform handstand 10 seconds with your children using verbal prompt. As you may or may not know, prompting means to guide or to assist. So, how can we assist our children to do this activity with verbal? So, if your kids has the skill to do the handstand like this, so maybe they need reminder. For example, if you want to do handstand, let's do handstand. They're not initiating it for maybe about 10 seconds after instruction. What you can do is to remind them, ready, knees on chair, hands down, push forward. So this is we prompting them verbally, verbalize the action. And for the another scenario, which is they do handstand but they flop, means that they bend their elbow. Because of the 10 seconds, we can prompt them with counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10. And then eventually we try to use timer to assist them to look at the timer while we count up until 10 for doing handstand. So you can try that at